Indonesian search teams are finding human remains and personal belongings in waters off the coast of West Java. An airplane carrying 189 people crashed in the area on Monday. Bangladesh and Myanmar have agreed to begin returning Rohingya refugees to Myanmar next month. A new United Nations study finds that air pollution kills about 7 million people each year.
The impact on climate change.
And in the Gaza Strip, hundreds of people gather for a funeral procession for a 27-year-old Palestinian man. Palestinians say he was killed by Israeli forces during protests on Monday.